Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Password Manager on a PC in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings, and then open Autofill and Passwords. Click Google Password Manager to access all your saved passwords. At the top of the page, you'll see the Search Passwords bar. You can quickly find any saved account by typing the website name. Below that, you'll find the Password Checkup section. Click Check Passwords to scan your saved passwords. Google will identify weak, reused, or compromised passwords and recommend which ones should be changed. Now scroll down to the list of saved passwords. Click on any website to open its password details. Here you can view the saved username and password, edit the password, or delete it if you no longer need it. If you want to save a new password manually, click the Add button and enter the website, username, and password. Next, click Settings from the left sidebar. Here you can enable Offer to Save Passwords and Auto Sign-In. When these options are turned on, Google Chrome can automatically save new passwords and sign you in to supported websites. For better security, use strong and unique passwords for every account and run password checkup regularly. This helps protect your online accounts from security risks. That's it. This is the complete guide on how to use Google Password Manager on a PC in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.